Hey Phrozen community! Today we'll show you how to replace the LCD panel on your Sonic Mighty Revo 16K. The LCD panel is a consumable part of resin 3D printers. If it gets damaged or scratched, it can affect your print quality. So now let's learn how to replace it. Before we start, here's what you'll need: a new Sonic Mighty Revo 16K LCD panel, one LCD frame sticker, and a 2mm hex wrench. First, remove the build plate and resin vat, then turn off the machine and unplug the power cable. Next, gently hold the LCD panel with one hand and slowly peel off the frame sticker with the other. Then, use the 2mm hex wrench to loosen the screws on the quick release cover and set the cover aside. After that, carefully lift the LCD panel and take out the LCD control board. Locate the latch on the control board, peel off the black acetate tape from the latch, and stick the tape to the side of the machine for later reuse. Lift the latch upward, disconnect the ribbon cable, and remove the old LCD panel. Now you're ready to install the new LCD panel. Before installing the new LCD panel, make sure the optical glass surface is clean and free of debris. Take out the new LCD panel and place the protective material underneath it. Flip the panel over, remove the dust film, and be careful. The LCD panel is very fragile, so handle it gently. Next, flip the panel back to the front and lay it flat on the optical glass. Lift the latch upward and insert the ribbon cable into the LCD connector slot, keeping it perfectly aligned and parallel. Press the latch down, then gently pull the ribbon cable to confirm it's locked in place. Stick the acetate tape back where it was. Now, lift the LCD panel slightly and rest one edge against the long side of the optical glass. Carefully bend the ribbon cable just enough to fit it into the groove. Don't force it. Avoid sharp bends that could damage the cable. Next, place the driver board into the groove. Once that's done, gently lower the LCD panel and make sure it sits flat on the optical glass, aligned toward the upper right corner. Take the quick release cover and use a 2mm hex wrench to tighten the panhead screws. Remove the dust film from the front of the LCD panel. Then take the new black frame tape. Align it carefully and peel off the backing while pressing the sticker onto the machine. That's it! The LCD replacement is complete. After the installation, go to Hardware Testing in Settings to perform the Z-axis calibration and LCD tests, ensuring everything is running smoothly. And that's it for the Sonic Mighty Revo 16K LCD replacement. You can find detailed tutorials for Z-axis calibration and LCD tests in the links below in the description box. Hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more exciting news from Phrozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!